Did I get the world famous hot fudge sundae?
Yum. Ghirardelli.
Good.
You haven't ever eaten a sundae? No, I've had a milkshake, but not here. I've had it in Texas.
Liar.
What do you mean?
We went here and got sundaes.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, you got like a banana split or something.
No, I didn't. We didn't go here together, right?
No.
See? I got that on video. Proof.
Oh! No.
Yum.
And I hate taking it. You didn't order mine, did you?
So I have a hot chocolate.
Oh.
Yay.
Wait, are you gonna
Ready?
cheers? Wait, oh, I wanna get it.
What?
Never mind.
Cheers. Yay. Oh wait, I didn't get that. Come on, Alex.
It's funny because Cher's is the only one coming in the
Cheers. Yum.
Too many ice creams.
Golden Gate. Wow. Hopefully we get to walk it because I really want to. Well, not walk the whole way, but like walk slightly, maybe a quarter of it.
Oh my God, so exciting. We're not walking.
I don't know. I heard it takes like about an hour to walk the whole entire length, but
I'm guessing an entire night.
well, by the way you guys walk, yeah, maybe.
Hey, I was with you. Who was with you the whole time? Come on.
I mean, I'm talking about like Alex and Shara and Jocelyn. Oh my God!
I mean, I can't go
Yes.
down there, but I just want to go to the fence.
I wonder how you get over to the bridge. We're waiting for Jocelyn and Alex to get out of the bathroom, and then we're gonna head off towards the bridge. I feel like we went at a really nice time. Really nice
Down to
time.
that fence. Can you hold this?
Illegal. Jeez. I'm gonna catch her crime.
Oh, God. You're gonna try to jump this. Ooh, she's stealing.
Ooh, Allie.
Good if you go closer.
Yeah, I
She
think
wants
it's nice
the flowers.
here.
You're under arrest.
Oh. We're gonna start walking to the Golden Gate Bridge. Woo! We're like checking out these like really cool little things that they have before the bridge.
Wait.
I'm waiting.
Wait. 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 Wait.
Wait.
Wait.
Jesus, Alex. Holding everyone up.
Earthquake.
Jesus, Allie.
Oh. Come on, Final Destination like infinity. Ready? Boom. That's probably more like an earthquake.
Yeah, props. Come on.
Race you to the top.
No.
And it goes down. Ah!
This is so awesome.
Allie, this is so cool.
I know. The light is amazing.
Who
cares?
What? Yeah. Nice, Alex. There's Alex. Right there. Ah! Oh. Ah! Hey. The Golden Gate Bridge. We're about to walk it. And
I am so cold right now, and I never say that.
slow pokes.
That hair, though.
We're literally at the entrance, and you decided to take a picture. Sorry if you can't hear me. Come on, Alex. Come on, Allie. Oh, this is so cool. I'm so glad that we decided to come later in the day because it looks so nice. Also, you probably can't hear me because there's loud noises. I'm like, you probably can't hear me because there's loud noises. Loud noises! Loud noises! Oh, look at the birds! Wow, there's Alcatraz right there. Sausalito over there. The city. The bridge is actually shaking. Yeah. Come on, guys, we're not even like above the water yet. Come on. Yeah, Sharon's cold. But so am I. This is definitely something that everyone has to see at least once in their life. Definitely something.
Vlogs don't make up for it.
Yeah, like literally seeing it in person is so much better than video. I'm trying to take the best pictures I could. I got my trusty portable charger with me. Best thing ever. How does this bend? It doesn't. You don't want it to.
No, but the model was doing this.
Yeah, so
How's it bend?
Maybe you need a lot of room. No, you don't, because it won't bend. This bridge is just suspended.
yeah.
It could fall
Well,
if it wanted to.
Have you seen the movies? Have you seen the movies? It's always this bridge. Here. Not yet. Almost to the first thing. I don't know what they're called. How cool is it?